Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to move your USDT from your OKX wallet to Binance. It's a straightforward process, but it's always good to follow each step carefully. Let's dive in. First, you'll need access to your OKX wallet. If you have the seed phrase, you're in. Just enter your seed phrase, which in this case is alarm fetch churn bridge exercise tape speak race clerk couch crater letter. This unlocks your wallet. Once you're in, you'll see your USDT balance. Click on withdraw or send depending on the interface you're using. Now open your Binance account. If you don't have one, it's easy to create. On Binance, go to your wallet and select USDT. Click on deposit. You'll be given a wallet address for USDT. Copy this address carefully. Back in your OKX wallet, paste this Binance address into the recipient field. Make sure the network selected is compatible with both OKX and Binance. Typically, ERC20 for USDT. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Double-check everything, the address, the amount, and the network. Mistakes can be costly. Once you're sure, confirm the transaction. There might be a small fee for the transfer. Now, just wait a bit. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. After the transfer is complete, check your Binance account. You should see your USDT balance updated. And that's it. You've successfully moved your USDT from OKX to Binance. Remember, always be cautious with cryptocurrency transactions. Double-check addresses and use secure networks. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto tips and guides. Thanks for watching.